Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Easter is coming, so today I am going to show you how to create a fancy rabbit for a card. You will need nib, Joseph 3003 or any you like holder, gouache white, black paper with 200 mg pencil and a good mood. First step is to draw a rabbit with a pencil. We are drawing a head, body, paws, ears, and small tail. You can also draw every line, drills using pencil. I will attach a file to the video and you can use it as an example. Let's pour water to gouache. I am testing how gouache is working. I will start from a head. Start from small parts. I will use drills to occupy all head space. Next step is ears. I am using basic flourishes for occupying ear space. You can notice that I am moving a paper. It's not forbidden, so keep moving it if it is comfortable for you. Let's start drawing body. We start from a contour. I use two types of drills. Don't forget about tail and paws. Let's add an eye and a nose. And in the end, let's sign a card. So, our card is ready. Let's see the result. Thank you for watching the video. For getting more information about calligraphy, follow me on my YouTube channel. See you later.